Good morning, Chief and Chiefettes. Welcome to Detailer Diaries. My name is Dan, and today we've got a detail job on an Audi S4 estate, 6 months old. It's not in bad condition, but of course it does have defects which we're going to try and look at today. Follow me on my journey, sit tight, get comfy, and enjoy the show. And we'll see you in a jiffy. Hello, Chief and Chiefettes. Shut up, kettle. Thank you. Hello, Chief and Chiefettes. So thank you for tuning in today to Detailer Diary. Also hit that bell icon to ensure you don't miss any more future videos. Part 2 of this video will probably be getting uploaded a couple of days, so make sure you subscribe.